Hey guys, it's me, the Pometnov, and today I'll teach you how to build Lego Withered Freddy. This video idea was recommended to me by a few people, and basically I'm gonna be here building it. Anyways, this build is highly accurate with its eyes, top hat, ears, and movable mouth. And it also has like a bow tie and buttons. It can also stand properly, as you can see here. Anyways, let's get right into the tutorial for this one. anyways, now that that's finished, let's build Withered Freddy. First we take the torso, then the head. We attach it like this. Then we're finished, we add the bottom part. So then this kind of like tail would be right there. Now it looks good. We take the hands and we place them like this. You see, for the legs, for this 3x1, it has to face out. So it has to be placed like this. Anyways, Withered Freddy. This video was recommended to me by a few comments, and yeah, I built it. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. If you like LEGO Five Nights at Freddy's, then share this video with your friends. And if you really like it, then subscribe. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!